Hello everyone. Today we are going to make another simple circuit, and this time we are going to use the little switches such as these, as you can see in your controllers, but it will be our switch to turn on and turn off the LED light. Again, we will be working with a 9-volt battery with wires sticking out of them. Let's put on the wires. This is going to the positive and this will go to the negative. That's how I place them. The red is the negative, so it's easy to remember. And then you need a resistor, so it will resist voltage coming from the battery, so the LED light will not burst into flames. So let's make it very simple. You can put these anywhere on the positive breadboard and then put this anywhere like this. And for the switches, if you can see at the bottom, there will be a line, and that's where the coils or the wires or the metal thing are connected. So in this case, these two poles are connected, so you want to put it like this, like so. And then for the LED wire, you can put it like this. Make sure that the anode or the positive will be here or whichever, and then just put it anywhere. And then if you have a wire connected here, then to complete the circuit, you need to put this on the negative. There you go. And we will know if this circuit works if we press this button, the light will turn on. It turns on. So I think it works. That's how you make a circuit with a switch. So if you see some things that when you press and then it moves or it responds, think of this circuit. This is basically how it works. It just looks more complicated. I'll be back with more videos teaching new things with a breadboard and some wires and things that will amaze you, hopefully. Thank you for watching this video.